What is the longest wall in the world? Answer B. Great Wall of China. What is the capital of Canada? Answer B. Ottawa. Which European country is known for making chocolate? Answer B. Belgium. What is the largest island in the world? Answer B. Greenland. Where is the Colosseum located? Answer B. Italy. What is the official language of Brazil? Answer B. Portuguese. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? Answer B. France. What is the name of the largest rainforest in the world? Answer B. Amazon rainforest.